Today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in the Red Magic 8. So in the first step, open the camera app, then tap on the camera family and swipe to the right to open the slow motion mode. Now if you need to change the slow motion video speed, click on this little icon, and as you can see there I have 3 various options, so pick your desired one. Now I set to the max and we can record the slow motion video. Now just wait a second, or a few seconds. And you can play it in the gallery. That's it. Thanks for watching, give us a like or a comment, and goodbye.